Hey, in this video, I'm gonna be going over a pasta called Fideo. It's a Mexican pasta. It's just gonna be a super chill video. It's gonna be a vlog at the Pike Place Market. I'm gonna visit the fish guys, and then we're gonna come home and make a little snack. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the recipe. Today I'm taking you guys with me to the market, Pike Place Market. Back in high school, this is what people would drink to pass a drug test. Thank you.
7S.
A7S3, yeah, a lot of fun.
Man, that's a lot of water there.
What should I film with this? What kind of fish? What would I do with that? You ever had Fideo?
No.
It's like a tomato stew with these noodles. Super good.
Is it? It's a pasta?
Yeah. And you like make like a stew with it. What would be a good fish with this?
Clams. Clams are firm white fish.
You know, it's funny that you say that. We served a clam dish with this. That worked. Yeah, let's see clams. Hi-fi, lo-fi.
I'm off. Have fun cooking.
Later, Ryan.
See you, buddy.
Clams are secured. Let's make that stew. Oh, thank you. Sorry.
You know if they're recycled?
They are.
There you go.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
On episode 169 of Things from My Childhood, I bring to you Fideo. It's like broken spaghetti noodles almost. And typically what you do is you toast them off and then stew them in a tomato broth. Now this is something that I didn't really care for much as a kid, but it just sort of grew on me and I love it now. Did any of you guys grow up with Fideo? Let me know in the comments down below. Here's a quick little tip. I normally take off this little root end of the onion because it's dirty. I don't want this dirty stuff on my cutting board when I'm cutting my onion. I'm still leaving the root intact. See that? It's still there. It's good to leave the root intact if you want to dice it. If you're not gonna dice it, you're just gonna slice it like julienne, take the whole root off. Here's a quick little knife tip. Never use the blade end if you're gonna scrape. I always use the back end, or in this knife case, I'll use this tip, just like that. And that's how you protect your edge. And then you might be wondering, what do you do with this little nub at the end? Because you don't want to cut your fingers off, obviously. This is what I do, the same thing. I've shown this in many videos, so sorry if I'm repeating myself. Voila. If you want to turn your garlic into a paste, you would do it the same as an onion. Take a little bit of salt, and then we just paste it down with the blade of our knife. Whenever dealing with clams like this, I always want to purge them in water for a bit, get that sand out. My water's cold, by the way. So I'll just let these go in the water a bit and let the sand purge out until the water's clear like this. So just start off with any sort of neutral oil. I have a garlic oil for more flavor. Recipes on the website. So I'm just gonna do a generous amount of oil because I'm gonna toast the noodles and the onions and the garlic and all that stuff. Onions in, garlic in. Then I'll just let these go until nice and translucent. Now at this point, I can add in the pasta. That's just gonna get toasted off. Also, mind you, I have a rounded pan here. That makes it easier to toast this stuff off. So if you have like a wok of some sort, use it. I wanna keep stirring this and agitating it because I don't want it to burn. I'm gonna add in some cumin and toast that off in the oil. Then I'll add in these 3. Immediately hold peeled tomatoes. Once that's in there, toss in our clams. Okay, I wanted to use clam juice, that's ideal, but clamato is just as good. We used to use this at work as well. It's perfect. It's got tomato juice, it's got clam juice, so use it. Now I'm just gonna crush the tomatoes up a little bit with my spoon. I can go ahead and cover this. Cook it until that pasta is fully cooked off. And here's some of that sourdough bread. You know, I used to do a lot of this at work, except we would stick those clams straight into the fire. A little bit of grilled bread never hurt anyone. Listen to the bread sounds. By the way, a lot of people keep asking me what these are and when I get them. I'm not telling you, come on. I'm just kidding. They're called chef presses and they were invented by a chef, a Michelin star chef in San Francisco. They were used mainly for fish. We would use them during service to put it on top of the fish, then you toss it in the oven and it helps you get that nice sear on your fish. But it works for everything, like bread.